How to turn off WhatsApp blue double tick. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can hide blue double tick, or basically the read receipts on your WhatsApp. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step that you will need to take is head over to your App Store and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So search for WhatsApp in your App Store, and right there, if you see an update button there, tap on update and update your app. After you've updated the app, you can then open it up, open up WhatsApp, and head over to the settings on the bottom right corner. After you're there you will see a lot of different options. So you can see your account, you can see your privacy and other stuff. Let's head over to privacy, and on your privacy you will see different options. If you scroll down, you will see the read receipts option, where you'll get the blue ticks in the double tick option, which basically means that you or anyone else has seen the message that you have sent. So if you want, you can turn that off, and if you turn it off, you won't be able to see the read receipts from other people as well. So yeah, that's how you do it, and that is it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.